Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Wanrah ka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features. Ka any ride, ka app ban book taxi but bike, ban pensuk ya ka let kawan katkum ka jingdon kam jongpi, namar bangi nyokor ya ka por jongpi. Download ya ka niga app na ka Play Store.
Hatu pikwa bagi janjong pikil kuit bha benar kam daka Oswell Soup hilaban yo na barok kidukan.
Kakanhun Menteri jong ka Sorkar jela haka arpau tarik unaitung arajar arfulai Wanrah daka Ordinance ban Pyndam no ya ka Rajit University Act 2011 ya ka bala menjur daka yeng dorbar thawan ka jela house nem arajar khatway bat nagi babon kidaw tat hadu usnem arajar arpau ulat ka jela umshim lala satya ban ai kanu ka jing menjur.
As you're aware, the Rajit University 2011 Act was passed in the Assembly in 2011, but for multiple reasons to 2020 the assent of the governor was not given. In 2020 finally the assent of the governor came in the month of February, but from February till now also we are not seeing any significant move being done by the university. The private university commission that we have that regulates these private bodies have also written to the said university number of times, asking for their current status, but no satisfactory reply has come from their end, and hence after following due process, the cabinet today, the proposal was brought to the cabinet to pass an ordinance to repeal the Rajit University Act 2011.